Okay, class. Today we are going to be watching the Angry Birds movie. Hey, teacher, can I use the bathroom? Sure, but be quick because the movie is about to start. Thanks. Man, I hate my principal because he get me into trouble for no reason. Wait, I know. I will freeze my principal's car. Here's his car right here. Now time to get it. Yes. Yeah, I freeze his car. Now time to go back to class. It's time for me to see my car. What? Where did what happened to my car? What? What happened to my car? Wait a minute. I know who did this. It must be Dark Ice Dry Bluebird. Or Bluebird. Bluebird. That's it. I'm calling his parents right now. Hello, Dark Ice Dry Bluebird's parents. You won't believe what did your son did. He tried to freeze my car. Can you expel him? Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Now let's go to the classroom. Excuse me. Why are you here in my classroom? Well, I'm gonna tell you that virtual Dark Ice Dry Bluebird has been freeze my car. Dun, dun, dun. Dark Ice Dry Virtual Bluebird. How dare you try to freeze Principal Chase Racelet's car? That's it. You're expelled for school year. Here. And look, here's your parents right now. Come on, Dark Ice Dry Virtual Bluebird. Let's go home right now. You're going to be in big trouble. Oh my God! Dark Ice Dry Virtual Bluebird. How dare you try to free your principal's car? That's it. You are grounded for 2 centuries. Go upstairs to your room right now, or else we will send you to Georgia. Varza.